If a voltage reading falls dramatically under load but measures fine at rest, treat it as a likely sign of a failing component that requires immediate diagnostic attention. Start by isolating the circuit and reproducing the condition safely. Measure voltage at the source, at the load, and at intermediate junctions while the system is both at rest and under normal load, using a true root mean square multimeter for accuracy on non-sinusoidal waveforms. Inspect conductors for high resistance caused by corrosion, nicks, or improper terminations. High resistance manifests as a voltage drop that appears only when current flows. Check all terminal connections and lugs for tightness and for signs of overheating, such as discoloration, softening of insulation, or melted insulation. A loose terminal can add significant series resistance. Evaluate the transformer or power supply capacity versus actual draw. An undersized transformer or aged transformer with internal winding degradation will maintain no load voltage but collapse under load. Assess whether additional loads have been added to the circuit recently or whether a motor or capacitor start device is drawing excessive inrush current. Temporarily disconnect non-essential loads to see whether the voltage stabilizes. If wiring and terminals are good and the transformer is correctly sized, yet the problem persists, consider component replacement or advanced testing, such as 4-point resistance measurements, infrared thermography during load, and sweep frequency response analysis where applicable. 3 common issues are high series resistance at connections, insufficient power source capacity, and intermittent component failure. For high resistance, clean and reterminate connections. Use appropriate torque values and replace corroded lugs. For insufficient capacity, confirm calculated load versus rated supply capacity and upgrade the transformer or power supply to a margin of at least 20% above measured continuous load. For intermittent component failure, perform load stage testing and use thermal imaging or substitute known good components to isolate the fault, then replace defective parts rather than temporarily reconditioning them. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can diagnose voltage drop problems, perform testing, and complete safe repairs. The site also helps contractors find qualified leads and manage project inquiries efficiently.